A very good morning, dear children. Dear children, today is Saturday, and Saturday we do some craft activity. So today, as you can see, I have written here origami. Origami means paper folding craft. So today we are going to do paper folding craft activity, origami activity. So in this activity we are going to make few toy animals with paper folding. Children, we will not use any Fevicol, any scissor in this craft. In this activity we need only few things like few colorful papers and one black bold marker. Children, I was not having the colorful paper right now, so I have done coloring on white paper. Fine. So you can do also the same thing if you are not having colorful papers. We need the paper sized 3 by 3 in this activity. Okay. So firstly we are going to make a dog here. Okay. And how we will make a dog? See, this is a square paper and we have to fold this paper like this. Okay. Then we will fold from the corner . See children, just like this. And we will fold from this corner now. Now we will make eyes. Then we'll make a nose. This is a snout of a dog. Okay. Now children, with the pink sketch pen you can make a tongue like this. Small dots I am making here. Then whiskers. This is a dog. Okay. So children, you can make a dog with paper folding like this. See, our dog is ready. So I'll keep it aside. Now we will make a cat here. And children, for making cat we will take a small piece of paper of 3 by 3 inches and we will fold this paper like this in triangle shape. Again we will fold like this in square shape. You can see how I have folded. Now just fold it from the half like this. Okay. And this piece of paper we will fold inside. Okay. Now you can fold this shape, triangle shape, at the back side. Like this. You can see how I have folded. From the back I have kept this paper inside this pocket, and the other side of paper we will fold like this. This time we are not going to keep in this corner in the pocket. We will keep it upside like this. Okay. Now for making snout, again we'll make nose here. Now eyes. Small dots and whiskers. Cat has long whiskers, so I'm going to make it like this. This is a face of a cat. So children, we have made a dog, a cat. Now children, we are going to make a fish here. Again I'm going to take a small piece of paper which I have colored with pink, size of 3 by 3 inches. Now again I am going to fold it like this in a triangle shape. Again from the other side we will fold like this in a triangle shape. Okay, see, we have folded like this, we have folded like this, so these marks on that paper. Now we will fold rectangle. Now we will fold like this in a square shape. Okay, this time we are going to fold this paper like this. Okay, and other side of paper we will keep like this. Now again we are going to fold it like this. See, this paper will come this side and this will come that side. See children, this is a small fish. Okay, now children, I am going to make an eye here. Okay, so children, today we have made 3 animals with origami. In the same way you can try these origami animals at home with the help of your parents. And children, in next week we will do some other activity. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.